What's the meaning of biddable? Biddable. Biddable.
Biddable. Biddable. Biddable is an adjective used to describe a person or a thing that is obedient, submissive, and easily controlled. It suggests a willingness to comply with instructions or to be directed by authority figures. A biddable person is often compliant, docile, and conformist in nature, and may lack the willpower or initiative to challenge status quo. In business and economics, a biddable market refers to a market in which prices respond quickly to changes in demand and supply. In short, being biddable can be both positive or negative depending on the context, and it implies a degree of submissiveness and willingness to follow the rules.